Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here. And if you're watching this video, it's because you clicked the help button here and are looking for some insight as to how to create and begin the missing side design of your cube, along with possibly what to type and write into the design reasoning table that you see to the right here. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and start with the missing side design. If you notice here, you have this blank square that's meant to represent the bottom of the cube. And you're going to be using this to create what you believe is on the bottom of your mystery cubes, whether it's mystery cube 1 or 2. If we're using mystery cube number 1 as our example here, the first thing we would do is look at all the different sides and decide, well, what's on the bottom? When you figure out what you think is on the bottom, you're then going to come here and you're going to be adding different things to recreate that side or that design. So a few things that you can do is you can click on the box and you can go up here to the paint can or fill color, and you can decide what color that you maybe think it is, and you can change it up as much as you want. And as you go through that, you're going to probably see a bunch of different features from your original cube that you're going to need to add in there. Well, you can go to Google and you can find images that you need of whatever it may be. You can copy those images so that you can then paste them into the box. You can reshape them however big you feel they need. You can put them in whatever way you want. If they got lines around them, you can change the lines if you don't want them. And you can go through adding different things however you see fit. And you can add text. So over here, there's a text box, okay, that you can drag and put in there. So if there are words or symbols or things that you think you need in here, you can put that as well. Feature number 1. Whoops. And you can move that around wherever you feel you need it in the box and so on. And notice you're recreating what you think the bottom of the box looks like, or the bottom of the cube. As you're going through, if you go down here to the design prompts, there are questions you can ask yourself to make sure what you're making is good. Does your design follow the same pattern as the other features on the cube? Does your design follow the same relationships? Remember, everything in your design has to have a reason. So what are their reasons? Nothing on here should be random. You shouldn't say, oh, I just picked red because it made sense. Well, why did it make sense? What was going on in your head? What did you see? What patterns, what relationships that help you figure that out? Do you explain why everything in your design is there? And that's where the reasoning section comes in. Does your design match what your group members discuss? Remember, this is a group activity. So after you make your design, you're answering the 4 questions to explain what you did in your cube. Take a second, try creating your design, go through the design prompts, complete the answers here as best you can. And if you still have questions, reach out to me. Good luck.